Pontiac changed the game when they put the LS1 in the 98 WS6. This car is a 6-speed and has 5,000 miles. Let us know if you'd add it to your collection. Today we are in an awesome Pontiac. It is a 1998 Pontiac WS6 with 5,195 actual miles. So this is basically a new car. It's actually a car we've had previously, had it a number of years ago, sold it to a customer. He did a couple little things to it, enjoyed it, and had his fun and was ready for something else. So that's how we got it back for round two. Finding a super low mileage, very, very clean WS6 is always at the top of my list. So this is a great car. Had no problems bringing it back in for round two. It has its original LS1. They make 320 horse and 345 foot-pounds of torque. That's what they were rated at in 1998 when Pontiac switched from the LT motors to the LS motors, which was an awesome change. When these cars came out, they were just all the craze. They haul ass. They're super comfortable in here. They really feel more modern than the late 80s into the early 2000s for when they came out. But this car, again, original motor. This one is a 6-speed manual transmission, which for me is killer and is a must. I love the automatics too, don't get me wrong, but a low mileage collector grade example like this with the 6-speed is the one to have. You do have a couple small changes. You have some aftermarket shocks, and it now has an aftermarket catback exhaust system on it, so it sounds great going down the road. We'll get an opportunity to get in the throttle just a little bit more later in the video. Got a little traffic ahead of us today here, but that is all right. You have your power disc brakes, you have your power steering, AC's on, blows nice and cold. Clutch feels fantastic, shifts exactly like we want it to. Up through the gears, down through the gears, in and out of reverse. No problems with any of that. On the interior, I believe it's code 142, which is the dark pewter. It's like a charcoal interior, basically. Shows fantastic. Dash has no issues. Door panels look brand new. Seat covers are excellent front and rear. Nice carpet, nice floor mats. Factory Pontiac monsoon stereo with your steering wheel controls. Steering wheel itself is in like new condition. Gauges are all functioning and easy to read. You have your digital odometer with 5,197 miles. And this is a clean Carfax, clean auto check. No accidents or damage ever reported. You have your RPO tags, tells us what this car was, and it is again a factory black over charcoal interior. WS6 with the 6-speed, which is just super cool. Center console with the ashtray door opens and closes properly. No weird smells in here. You have your glove box as well. We do also have some original paperwork. We have the original window sticker, a license plate, the owner's manual. All the original stuff will be photoed in that additional media tab, so make sure you guys check that out. The Carfax, the auto check, and the Does It Work section will also be in that additional media section. And everything on this one works. The gauges, the lights, the horn, the wipers, the radio, the heat, the AC, the parking brake, the cruise control, all of your power options. So everything on this one is ready to roll. These cars really feel faster than what they're rated at. They run so well. It's hard to go wrong with an LS platform and a 6-speed. You can do some simple things to these cars and make a whole lot of power, but a stock style car like this, it's great just like it sits. Like you would expect a 5,000 mile collector grade car, the underneath is fantastic. The floors are excellent. There's no problems of any kind. It represents like a new car on the bottom. And then on the exterior, it's factory black. The notorious areas on these is the halo panel behind the T-tops. It shows great, just a couple small little flaws in the paint on the halo panel. It's a factory black car, so it has some little touch-ups and little imperfections that you have to look for that you can see kind of walking around the car, but it really is an awesome example and represents great. Wheels are in awesome condition as well. Tires are a 2021 tire. So good rubber all the way around, no dry rot or cracking or problems with the tires. And just an excellent looking car. I love the way the WS6s look. I love the hood, the body lines on these cars, and this one being factory black, T-tops it's hard to not love this car. And then again, they run great. It's got a great exhaust note to it, and it drives like a brand new WS6. I got the AC on right now. It is nice and cold in here. Super comfortable going down the road. One thing I will note, to be honest, I don't have any CDs to put in there, so I don't know if the CD works, but the stereo itself does function. As far as your steering and suspension, steering is nice and tight, goes exactly where we want it to. These were performance-based vehicles when they came out, and they really perform like they were designed to perform. Shocks have been replaced with a KONI shock. We do have some of the original components. It looks like it's got an aftermarket spring on it as well. Still retains a stock style road feel to it. Comfortable on this bumpy road, not beating me to death. KONI shocks are a good quality upgrade. The extra parts that we do have, you will see photos of it in the additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Same thing with the imperfections on the exterior of the car and all 4 wheels and tires, so make sure you check that out. As far as your glass goes, everything is in really nice condition. I don't see any issues with the windshield. Side windows roll up and down like they should. Back glass is clear and easy to see out of. You have your rear defrost button, which kicks on, kicks off like it should. Power mirrors on the left and right. Power windows, power locks, all of that functions properly. You do also have cruise and you do also have tilt. Again, all of the factory options that these cars came with. We'll downshift to second. And we'll roll into it here a little bit. What's the fun of having these cars if you don't drive them a little bit? Yeah, runs great. The driving position in these cars, if you've never driven one, is very comfortable. You could take this on a longer road trip if you wanted to. Seats feel great. It is a multi-function power driver seat over here, and then the seat back is a manually adjusting seat back, so you can get really comfortable in here even if you are a little taller. I'm 6 foot tall and I fit in here great. When you pop the hatch in the back, everything's factory. You have your T-top location. If you take the T-tops off, you can slide them in the back there and go cruising with them in the back with the top off. When you pop the hood, you have your first release over here under the dash, and then you have your secondary up underneath the hood. Everything in the engine bay is very factory, very clean. Nothing is out of place. Everything is serviced, looks good. Belts, hoses, wires, all of that is ready to roll. You can leave this as a collector grade car with 5,201 miles, or hop in it and drive the absolute wheels off it if you want to. It's a black charcoal interior, low mileage WS6, so it doesn't get a whole lot better than that when you ask me. And that exhaust note, it really has a good tone to it. In pretty much any gear, sometimes some exhaust setups will sound better when you're just cruising or you get heavier into the throttle. This one sounds great through every gear, through the entire RPM range. It is a good sounding car. And this still has the stock shifter in it, which is cool. Again, nothing wrong with that. I'd probably go with a Hurst style or like a short throw shifter. That's just me, but if you want to keep this car basically stock, the shifter's cool. As always, stick around for the end of the video. We're going to have a vehicle briefing back in the showroom. My name is Michael. This is a 1998 Pontiac WS6 with 5,202 miles with a 6-speed manual transmission. Make sure you check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day, and that additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. And we will see you guys in the showroom in just a second. All right, y'all, we're back to the showroom after a quick test drive in the 98 WS6. Jake and Chandler, for y'all, obviously we've had a ton of these cars, but a quick recap from 97 to 98, engine changed. You went from the LT platform in 97 to the LS platform in 98, so it was a completely different game when it came to these LS cars. The 98 to the 2002 WS6 are just awesome. There's nothing wrong with the earlier cars. We sell those as well, but the LS-based cars are just fantastic. It's just a next step on these cars, and they run great. This one has 5,200 miles.
That's cool.
So the first year of the LS, you have a 6-speed, and it's 5,200 miles, black over charcoal interior with T-tops. It doesn't get a whole lot really better than this.
Yeah.
Everything works, gauges, lights, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC. The doesn't work section is a yes across the board. Only nitpicks, and I can show y'all up front here, it's super minuscule. Like all of these cars, even if they have no miles, if you drive them down the road, they'll get some little stone chips. So on the headlight bucket over here, on the driver's side, you got a couple little stone chips, a couple little stone imperfections on the front bumper, and then same thing with the hood. And then walking around the car, the notorious things that go wrong is the halo panel gets really bad imperfections. This one's really nice with just a couple small flaws. And then you'll see on the back here, you have dual tipped exhaust. What's unusual is this car would have had what's called single on the left. So it would have had a single tip on the left-hand side here, but they came with the 2 cutouts in the rear bumper like that. So it always looked a little bit weird to me.
Yeah.
We've actually owned this car before. The first time that we had it, it had the factory exhaust on it. Now it does have a catback exhaust system, but for me, it doesn't matter. It's a good upgrade. It also has aftermarket KONI shocks, so it has a great road feel to it.
Cool.
The exhaust system sounds great going down the road. And then on the interior, no door panel issues, no dash issues. The interior is really like brand new. Same thing with the underneath. It's a fantastic collector grade style WS6.
Cool.
What do y'all think?
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
It's clean.
I know what your favorite thing about the car is.
The tint, man.
Chandler loves his tint.
It's good.
Yeah, on a black car like this, I think it looks good. It's nice that the windshield's not 5%, so you can still drive the car.
I mean,
but the tint on the side windows does look pretty good on this one.
Yeah.
Y'all got any questions?
What would Mike do to it?
Nothing.
Really?
This is a car that I would do nothing to.
Nice.
I take it back. I lied to you. I lied to y'all. I'd put a short throw shifter in it.
Okay.
It's still got the factory shifter, and you feel like you're shifting a mile.
Yeah.
That's just how they are. It's basically a stock car it's got aftermarket springs and then the KONI shocks and then the catback exhaust, which is all easy stuff. But a short throw shifter would be nice if you wanted to drive it. That's about it.
Nice.
Anything else? No. Cool. And for y'all, we appreciate you stopping in to watch another one of these vehicle briefings and the test drive video. If there's ever anything else that y'all want to see, hit us up on the website. My name is Michael. That's Jake and Chandler with the 98 WS6. We'll catch you guys on the next one.